If you've been thinking about switching to a more energy-efficient dryer, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down the best heat pump dryers on the market, from the weakest to the absolute best performer. Starting off our list is the Black+Decker BDFH44M, a compact ventless dryer that's built for small spaces and simple operation. It's not a flashy model, but it gets the job done. Think of it as a practical entry point into heat pump drying without breaking the bank. It has a decent 4.4 cubic feet capacity and a total of 16 different drying programs, which gives you plenty of flexibility for everyday laundry. It's also ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it's more efficient than a traditional vented dryer. The moisture sensor feature is a nice touch, preventing over drying, and the ability to either use a drain hose or the built-in water tank makes setup easier in tight spaces. Now, here's where it falls a little short. The drying cycles are longer compared to standard dryers, and it needs a 240-volt outlet. So if your home isn't already set up for that, installation might require an upgrade. It also lacks smart features or app connectivity, which many newer models now include. Still, if you're looking for a simple, efficient, and affordable heat pump dryer, this is a good place to start. It's a great option for apartments or anyone upgrading from a traditional vented dryer. And remember, you'll find links to all the products featured in this video at the best prices right down in the description below. Next up, we have the KoolMore FLD-5CWHP. This one's a step up from the Black+Decker in both performance and design. It's still compact and ventless, but it offers slightly better build quality and similar efficiency ratings. The KoolMore delivers 16 preset cycles, a modern LED interface, and runs quietly compared to budget dryers. Like the previous model, it's ENERGY STAR certified and uses heat pump technology to keep your clothes safe from overheating while saving on energy bills. It's practical, efficient, and fits easily in most laundry spaces. That said, you'll still face the same downsides that come with heat pump systems: longer drying times and the need to manage condensate through either drainage or a water tank. It's also not a smart device, so you won't be monitoring it through an app or adjusting settings remotely. If you're shopping for your first efficient ventless dryer and want a model that's just a little more refined, this one's worth considering. And if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next deep dive on smart home appliances. Coming in next is the LG M6998HBA, one of the most advanced washer-dryer combos on the market today. This model is all about convenience. It washes and dries in a single drum, which means no more transferring clothes between machines. It's loaded with intelligent features, automatic detergent dispensing, AI fabric sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even an auto-cleaning condenser. The capacity is impressive at 5 cubic feet, giving you more room than most all-in-one units. It's quiet, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly, which is everything you'd expect from LG's high-end lineup. But of course, that convenience comes at a price. All-in-one units generally take longer to complete a full wash and dry cycle, and the overall system is more complex, meaning repairs can be costly. Still, it's a powerful choice for those who want a premium all-in-one system and don't mind the investment. If you're someone who values simplicity, space-saving design, and smart features, this LG is definitely one to consider. The GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS takes 4th place on our list. But don't let that fool you, it's an incredibly efficient and innovative combo unit. What sets it apart right away is that it runs on a standard 120-volt outlet. No need for a 240-volt circuit, which makes it perfect for apartments and older homes. This GE unit combines smart features, microban antimicrobial protection, and a unique one-and-done wash and dry cycle that can handle a full load in about 2 hours. With an energy efficiency rating of CEF 6.0, it's one of the most efficient dryers you can buy right now. It's compact, quiet, and genuinely user-focused. As with any combo system, drying larger or bulkier items can take extra time, and the lint filter requires a bit more attention. But these are small trade-offs for the flexibility and efficiency you get here. If you're looking for a compact, intelligent, all-in-one system that plugs into a standard outlet, this GE is an excellent pick. It's modern laundry tech made simple. And now, at the top of our list, the LG DLHC1455W. This is hands down the most complete and refined heat pump dryer available right now. It's compact, efficient, whisper quiet, and smart. The perfect combination for modern living. The dual inverter heat pump technology gives it an incredible energy efficiency rating of 6.4 CEF, one of the highest on the market. It automatically cleans its own condenser, connects to your phone through LG's ThinQ app, and even features smart diagnosis for quick troubleshooting. Everything about this dryer is designed to make your life easier while protecting your clothes. The only real downsides? It's on the smaller side at 4.2 cubic feet, and you'll need a 240 volt outlet to run it. But considering its build quality, features, and reliability, those are easy compromises to make. If you're serious about efficiency and want the best dedicated heat pump dryer out there, this LG is the one to beat. So there you have it, the best heat pump dryers and washer dryer combos ranked from weakest to best. If one of these caught your attention, check out the top rated options using the links down in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future review.